Hi, let us understand the other XML tags of JSTL. Let me go ahead and create another JSP. I am naming the file as XML2 set choose when. I am going to add the tag directives for XML as well as core tags. I am going to use the same XML file. Before that, let me change the title. I'm going to use the core import tag and read the XML file and store it in a variable. Now I'm going to pass this particular XML. Once the XML is passed and if I have the document, I should be in a position to read any specific element. Here I am going to show how the select and out going to work so that I can access any individual element. Let me access the book title of the first document available within this specific XML. So I'm going to use this specific variable books doc. Within that I'm going to read the books and the first book element and the title. So within the books documentation, the first book element, and within that I'm going to read the value of this particular title. The same way I can read any other individual element as well. Let me read the price as well. So in case if I wanted to read any specific element within the XML, I can directly use this specific notation and access the element. Let me execute the JSP. So I do have the title and the price of the first element within the XML. So I have the XML developers guide and the price. Now let us understand how to use the condition element within the XML parsing. Let me use the same variable books doc and I am going to display the value using the table, and let me use the XML for each tag and go over this specific element one after the other. So when I am iterating each and every element, I am going to use the XML choose tag when the condition of this particular price tag within the book element is greater than 10, then it's going to display these values. That is, these are all the 5 cells it's going to display, and if the price is not greater than 10 or the condition otherwise, it's going to print these 5 cells. The difference is I have marked the price and title in bold if the price is greater than 10. So this is a good example of how to include the condition while iterating over the XML tags. So the same XML file, it will get iterated, and whenever the price is greater than 10, the title and price will be marked in bold. Let me execute the JSP. So all the title where the price is greater than 10 is marked in bold. So in a quick summary, we had seen how to use the XML set tag choose when otherwise of XML JSTL tags.